Hey, have you ever been to hotel rooms, restrooms, or a trial room and thought, is this place really safe for me? How would you know or identify cameras invading your privacy? Hello everybody, my name is Sibin and I am the proprietor of Trinity Computer Solutions. Recently, a customer of mine asked me this question and I decided to quickly make this video and share a few important tips to feel safe during your private moments and stay at a hotel or maybe in a trial room and identify spy cameras. Now, I'm going to share with you 7 important tips. Tip number 1. Visually scan and check your environment carefully. Now, here are a few common places that you are likely to find hidden cameras if there are any. Like for example, smoke detectors, wall decorations, paintings, portraits, electric outlets, wall sockets and pins, tissue boxes and books, stuffed teddy bears and toys, DVD cases, table lamps or these lava lamps which you have seen. Now TV boxes, set-top boxes, hair dryers, wall or alarm clocks, cloth hooks, pens, AC vents, holes in the door or windows, behind a mirror, soap holders in or cosmetics placed inside a bathroom, night lamps, USB flash drives, AC adapter and mobile chargers, bathroom fittings and showers. Now these are commonly used items and you may not even suspect anything going wrong with these items, but from now on be very careful with these items. You should also check for any odd or duplicate items in the room, such as maybe a duplicate clock, some additional smoke detectors, coffee pots, table lamps, etc. Now check if there are any unusual holes in the ceiling or wall as well. Check if there are any items placed or positioned in an unusual way or if there is anything abnormal which looks abnormal to you. Tip number 2. Turn off the light in the room to spot hidden night vision cameras. Now most hidden security cameras have a green or red LED light when it is on. Tip number 3. Turn on the flashlight of your phone and point it towards suspicious objects from different angles. Now the LEDs or camera lens will shine or blink in low light conditions. Tip number 4. You can use your phone's front-facing camera to detect spy cameras as well. Now, unlike rear-facing cameras, the front-facing cameras do not have an IR filter, which is an infrared filter. Hence, it makes it easy to detect infrared lights emitted from the cameras in the dark. Tip number 5. You can use your mobile applications to detect hidden cameras. Now, there are a lot of free mobile applications. For example, there's an app called Spy Hidden Camera Detector, which is a good option, which will actually glow when it is taken near a hidden camera which emits radio frequency. Tip number 6. You can also get a professional camera detector or a sensor to detect hidden cameras. Now, if you travel frequently or book hotel rooms frequently. Now, please note that the RF hidden camera detector typically only picks up a certain kind of frequency. Now, if the hidden security camera and other bugs use multiple frequencies and keep changing them rapidly, the detector might not pick the presence of a hidden camera as well. Tip number 7. I would also suggest you look out for the mirrors installed in your bedrooms and washrooms. Now, this is something which most of you would be doing, but for the benefit of all, let me repeat this for you. Place the tip of your finger on the mirror. Now, if you observe a gap between the tip of your finger and the mirror, then that can be a real mirror. Now, if you do not see a gap between your finger and if it touches, then that's a cause of concern. Now, look closely inside the mirror. That could be a one-sided glass instead of a mirror as well. Now, there could be some opening inside or a device placed behind the mirror. Now, another technique is to shut off the light and show a flashlight through the mirror to see if there is anything behind it. Now finally, what do you do when you find something suspicious? Do not try to touch the device. Take a picture of the camera and the object for evidence and take all your belongings and move away from the viewing angle of the camera. Finally, call the police Then report the issue and inform the authorities of the hotel or the building. Now let's summarize this. Inspect the room and environment for suspicious objects and check every device thoroughly. Turn off the light and see any blinking LEDs. Use a flashlight and check for reflective objects. Use your phone's front-facing camera and check for any IR LEDs and lights emitted. Download and use hidden camera detector app. Get a professional radio frequency detector. Finally, check all the mirrors in your bedrooms and washrooms. Hope you found this helpful. If you found it useful, please do share it with your friends and family and educate them on the tips to identify spy cameras. This is Sibin signing off. See you in my next video. Thank you.